Well, with us now is the #1 plate holder in the AMA Outdoors. Everybody knows who he is. He's Kawasaki's best, Eli Tomac. Eli, welcome to MXTV, mate.
All right, thanks for having me on, guys.
Eli, first up, what passions do you have outside of motocross? What do you like to do when you're at home relaxing?
It just depends on the seasons. You know, Colorado, you kind of have to go with the season. So in the summertime, it's, you know, spending time in the mountains, like fishing or on the lake. Do a little bit of archery hunting too. So that's summertime. You know, wintertime, if you're around, we'll do a little bit of skiing here and there, you know, and mountain biking too. So really, we're just outdoorsy, and I'm outdoorsy.
I saw there once before you were actually hitting a bit of golf around at one stage. You still into the golf?
I go in waves with the golf. Yeah. Like, right now I haven't been playing much, but a couple years ago I was actually too into it. So I pump the brakes a little bit.
It gets you like that, doesn't it? There's a lot of youngsters out there that are riding and motocross riders. They want to be like someone like yourself. What advice would you give them to achieve what you've achieved so far?
For one, it's got to be something you want to do. You know, a lot of people get pushed in the wrong direction. So if you love it, you know, just keep pursuing it. You know, I've always enjoyed it. You just got to have fun doing it. And then, I mean, yeah, there's days where you have to be serious and put in the work. But at the end of the day, you always have to look at it like, hey, I'm riding my dirt bike. I could be, you know, stuck somewhere else that you don't want to be. So really, it's all about having fun and enjoying it. But if you are serious about it, you know, I would say work on technique. That's very important, to build your base with technique, and then you get your speed after that.
Such sound advice. Did you ever get advice when you were little that stuck with you for all the way through? Is there something that you know, still go back to today?
We would always start with drills, as we call it, when we'd warm up.
You and your dad?
So the same thing with technique. You know, we'd do a few laps, say, riding with no clutch or front brake only, or things like that, just to build your base. And then I think once you have that base, because that's when you learn things, is your early stages. That's when it's the easiest to learn.
Yeah.
So you want to have that built. You know, if you're really pursuing that to be your career or your profession.
Yeah. And just a quick one too. You've got basically a factory bike, a bike that's built for yourself. If you could only have one part on that bike, what would you keep?
Well, if I could take both, it'd be the fork and the shock, so the suspension package.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Biggest thing.
It's really important to have that good balance.
Yeah.
For going fast. Yeah. Yeah.
Eli, thank you so much for your time. Really do appreciate it, mate. Thank you.